Okay, it is 9 o'clock in Boston. Recording has started.
Hi, I'm Ansu.
I'm Midin.
I'm Tej.
Hi, I'm Lakshmi.
I am Sayan.
Mohammad Nihal.
I am Basil.
I'm Ryan.
I'm Kalyani.
Welcome to Fab Academy!
As my kids grew more independent, I had the strong urge to start working again. The Fab Academy caught my interest.
Manufacturing has always been my area of interest. Coming from mechanical background, I wanted to explore other areas in digital fabrications, particularly electronics.
Here I found people who share this love for making.
The most interesting part of the academy was that we were able to use the state-of-the-art machine.
Even in the weekends, I used to be in the lab.
Everything was new to me. It was quite challenging to keep up.
There have been times where I so badly wanted to give up, but I'm glad I pushed through.
I had a lot of ideas and this program helped me to give wings to those imagination.
My perspective changed dramatically.
I learned to approach problems with a rational mindset.
The group projects and assignments helped me to work and collaborate with my teammates.
It entirely changed my approach to design.
It was a difficult process, but working on the project helped me solve a lot of practical problems. And I was able to make a watch for my sister, and she loved it.
During Fab Academy, I've developed my skills across various engineering fields. My design approach were changed. Also, it helped me to address complex challenges with the creative and innovative solutions.
The best of all is the fact that I got to be part of this beautiful community filled with people who inspire me to be better every day.
This experience has helped me to work on personal projects and contribute to the maker community.
Now I can say that you have an idea in mind, and if you put a genuine effort to achieve it, you can make almost anything.
Honestly, I don't know what I was expecting when I came to Fab Academy, but it's everything I have always wanted to know and more. If somebody asked us what happened in Fab Academy,
We tried.
Failed.
Broke, build.
We learned.
The journey was amazing. Thank you Fab Lab Kerala and Fab Foundation for this opportunity. And thank you, Neil, for helping us to go through this journey.
And I'd say the most important advice or feedback I can give you is the class isn't ending now, it's beginning.